I have this old bed frame. We wanted to throw it away, but it seems to be out of some nice wood. I tried to make some nightstands out of it. So first step is to disassemble it to see what material we got and what we can reuse for the nightstands. Alright, so my plan is to build the tabletop out of these pieces. And I just plan to glue them together like this, and maybe we will have enough of them so we can build 2 small tables out of it. I plan to glue all of these pieces together, but in a little offset, like this. Okay, so we have about 47 on 93 centimeters. So next step will be cutting through each of these pieces one by one, so we can glue them together into 2 tabletops. Okay, now it's time to glue them up, but I start with marking the offset so I get every piece aligned correctly. Okay, when gluing up these pieces, I already thought that I might get a problem with all the excess glue that squeezes out, and I just ignored it, and I hope that it wouldn't be that bad. But as it turns out, it actually doesn't look so good. So what I'm doing now is taking a heat gun, heating up the glue, and removing it with a screwdriver. Okay, now it's time to build the legs. For that I'm cutting up the outer frame. Okay, so I now even out the areas where the legs will be. So I just have a flat surface to work with. So next step is to drill in some holes and putting in some threaded inserts.